the city. Beautiful. Wow. What's up, fam? Here's another video with the Keks. We're here at Diamond Head. The visitor center is just right here around the corner. We're gonna head up to the peak. I forget what the trail's called. We're gonna take a look around, see what this place has to offer, give you the best tour. Maybe it's something you want to do in the future, maybe it's not. We'll check back in a second. Alright, so the first thing we run into is the visitor center. It's just a short little drop from the parking lot over here. It's got a lot of cool history and kind of about how the crater was formed, what it's made of. We got the different birds that can be found in the area, and then different plants. Picked up a little map from out front. They sell little souvenirs and stuff, so it's been kind of cool to read about how it was all formed. And you know, it's almost a little, from what I've, you know, it's like a dry ecosystem, which is a lot different here in Hawaii than a lot of the island. So it's cool. Is there anything you found that's cool?
No, I think no.
Nothing in particular yet. So we're gonna get out on the hike. Time lapse, speed mode. All right, fam, we powered up the mountain. A little tired,
Yeah.
Thighs are burning. Feels good.
Feels good.
Beautiful views. I think we got Lanikai down here. We got Or no, maybe Lanikai. I don't know. I'm pretty. It's crazy. Let's go over here by sweet views. The city. Beautiful. Wow.
Is this where we went parasailing out here?
Yeah, we went parasailing right out of Waikiki. I don't see any people doing it right
yeah,
now.
maybe out closer on that side.
Yeah. Well, how would you rate it, babe?
Good hike. There's a tunnel that I think you got right on camera.
Yeah, the tunnel was a little claustrophobic. It was really tiny. A lot of, at least, I mean, if COVID sitch, you know, everything's a little tight for this hike. So if you're not comfortable being so close to people, then definitely wouldn't recommend this hike. You have to walk very close, basically, you know, rubbing shoulders as you go through a tunnel and up some of the stairs. So it's a
pretty steep a couple times.
Yes, steep, but it's not something like, if you're thinking about doing this and you're older, I wouldn't say don't do it. Yeah. Because it's just gonna take a little longer, but it's definitely doable. Yeah, it's I don't think like a medium. Yeah. Hard. Yeah, and it's paved. It's paved the whole way. So, you know, just watch your step, because yeah, there's some uneven parts, but for the most part it's paved, and you get blessed with these beautiful views. Look at the city. I know, escape. It's awesome. So we're gonna take in the views, and then we'll catch you on the way back down. All right, fam, we're about halfway down. We are hot and tired and ready to get back to the car. It's a toasty one today, so we're excited to get back, and saw some ices at the bottom, or drinks, so we're gonna look for those and we'll check back in a second. It's like, what are you doing? All right, folks, that's it. It's a wrap. We're here at the bottom in the parking lot. About to go home. It's hot, long. Oh, we got our Leonard's Malasadas. We got the guava flavored. Delicious. So, psyched about that. We got one left over. It's probably not a good way to end a hike, but you know, you win some, you lose some. Had a good time, good day. We'll catch you next time. Always like and subscribe, and we'll come out with another one soon. See ya.